This video is created for educational and documentary purpose only. All narration, visual and descriptions are original and AI generated. This content does not promote violence or conflict and focus solely on aviation, technology, history and engineering innovation.
What if I told you that the most powerful aircraft in the sky does not carry weapons, does not have a pilot, and yet can see an entire country in a single mission? No explosions, no dogfights, no missiles, just pure intelligence. This is the RQ-4 Global Hawk, America's silent eye in the sky. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is not a fighter jet. It is not a bomber. It is not even armed. Yet it is one of the most important aircraft ever built by the United States. The Global Hawk is a high-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned aerial vehicle designed to fly higher than commercial airliners, stay airborne for more than 30 hours, and collect intelligence across massive areas of land and sea. It is used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and intelligence gathering, the backbone of modern military decision-making. In simple words, before anything happens on the ground, the Global Hawk already knows. In the 1990s, the United States faced a growing challenge. Modern conflicts were no longer about massive armies facing each other. They were about information. Who is moving? Where are they moving? What are they preparing? Traditional spy planes had limits. Satellites had fixed orbits. Manned aircraft risked pilot lives. The solution? A drone that could fly very high, stay airborne for more than a day, cover entire regions, operate without risking human life. This idea gave birth to the Global Hawk program, developed by Northrop Grumman. The Global Hawk made its first flight in 1998. At that time, many experts were skeptical. A massive unmanned aircraft, flying at extreme altitude for more than 24 hours, it sounded unrealistic. But the program succeeded. Over time, the Global Hawk proved that unmanned surveillance could outperform many traditional systems. The RQ-4 Global Hawk has a very unique design. Long, slender wings, a smooth aerodynamic body, no cockpit, no pilot. Every design choice serves one purpose: efficiency. Its wingspan is similar to a commercial airliner, allowing it to glide efficiently at high altitude. The smooth shape reduces drag, enabling long-endurance missions. The aircraft is optimized not for speed, but for persistence. One of the most impressive features of the Global Hawk is altitude. It can fly at around 60,000 feet. At that height, weather has little impact. Most air defenses cannot reach it. It can see massive areas below. Endurance is equally impressive. The Global Hawk can remain airborne for 30-plus hours without refueling. This allows continuous surveillance, persistent monitoring, real-time intelligence. The true strength of the Global Hawk lies in its sensors, not weapons. It carries high-resolution imaging systems, advanced radar, long-range surveillance equipment. These systems allow it to track movement, monitor terrain, observe activity day and night, operate in all weather conditions. The data collected is transmitted in near real-time to command centers thousands of miles away. Unlike human eyes, the Global Hawk sees in layers.
It does not just take pictures.
It analyzes shape, movement, heat, patterns. This layered intelligence allows analysts to understand what is happening, not just see it. Modern warfare depends on information superiority. The Global Hawk provides strategic awareness, early warning, situation analysis. It does not fight wars. It prevents surprises. The Global Hawk has been used in multiple regions across the world. Its missions include border monitoring, maritime surveillance, disaster response, environmental observation. Because it is unarmed, it is also used in non-combat roles, such as mapping, search and rescue support, weather analysis. As technology advances, information becomes more valuable than firepower. The Global Hawk represents a shift from destruction to awareness, from reaction to prevention. One of the most common questions people ask is, if there is no pilot on board, who is flying the aircraft? The answer is simple: highly trained human operators sitting safely on the ground. The Global Hawk is controlled from ground control stations, located far away from the mission area. These operators plan the mission, monitor the aircraft, control sensors, manage flight paths. The aircraft itself handles much of the flying automatically. while humans focus on decision-making and analysis. The Global Hawk is not a simple remote-controlled drone. It uses advanced onboard systems to maintain altitude, manage fuel efficiency, adjust to weather conditions, navigate long distances. This level of autonomy allows it to fly missions lasting more than a full day without fatigue. Unlike human pilots, the Global Hawk never gets tired. For an aircraft flying at 60,000 feet, communication is everything. The Global Hawk uses satellite communication, links to stay connected with ground stations. This allows real-time data transmission, live monitoring of sensors, immediate updates to mission plans. Even when operating far from base, the Global Hawk remains connected. The drone does not simply collect data and store it. Information is processed on board, compressed, sent to analysts in real time. This means decision-makers do not have to wait hours or days. They receive intelligence as it happens. Another common question: if it is unarmed, how does the Global Hawk protect itself? The answer lies in altitude awareness and planning. Flying at extremely high altitude makes it difficult for many threats to reach it. Careful mission planning avoids risky airspace. The focus is not on fighting, but on avoidance. The Global Hawk is designed to operate in nearly all weather conditions. Rain, clouds, storms. These do not stop the mission. Advanced sensors allow it to see through clouds, fog, darkness. This makes it far more reliable than traditional visual surveillance. One of the most important missions of the Global Hawk is maritime surveillance. It can monitor large ocean areas, shipping routes, coastal regions. This is critical for search and rescue, environmental monitoring, maritime security. The Global Hawk is not only used for military purposes. It has supported disaster relief, flood monitoring, wildfire tracking. Because it can stay airborne for so long, it provides continuous updates to emergency responders. Some people ask, why not just use satellites? The answer is flexibility. Satellites follow fixed orbits. The Global Hawk can change routes, focus on specific areas, stay longer over regions of interest. It fills the gap between space-based and aircraft-based intelligence. The Global Hawk is an advanced system, and advanced systems are not cheap. However, its value is measured in information quality, mission endurance, risk reduction. Replacing a manned aircraft mission with an unmanned one reduces human risk significantly.